Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
The bas relief filter simulates a three-dimensional sculpted surface, turning a flat image into a pseudo-relief that looks as if it were carved from stone or clay. After converting the photo to grayscale, Sobel operators compute the X and Y gradients, which approximate surface slopes. These gradients are combined to generate normal vectors for each pixel. A light source is defined by its azimuth, horizontal angle, and elevation, vertical angle. The dot product between the normals and the light direction yields a shading value that mimics how light interacts with a real relief. By scaling the shading with a depth parameter, you can amplify or soften the perceived depth, producing anything from a subtle emboss to a bold